listen and we don't judge.
May point sa buhay ko na nung fangirl pa na ako, na kapag nagfa-fangirl ako, parang feeling ko special ako, may love talaga sa akin yun.
Hashtag Delulu.
Super guilty.
We listen and we don't judge. Nung bata pa ako, nagpapatay ako ng ending sa probinsya. Kumikitang kabuhayan.
Oh, thank you.
We listen and we don't judge.
Ang mga typical ko nagiging crush, yung mga very manly, no? Parang pwede na sila maging tatay.
I won't judge. We listen and we don't judge. Minsan, nagsisimba lang ako para makita ko yung crush kong altar boy. Lord, patawa.
I won't judge.
We listen and we don't judge.
Minsan, sasabihin ko, wala na akong pera. Pero pag may gusto kong bilhin, nagkakaroon ako na.
Para-paraan. We listen and we don't judge. Nung elementary ako, ugali kong mangupit ng pera pang tong its.
Oh my God! I won't judge pala.
Don't judge. We listen and we don't judge.
Minsan kapag mayroong work chat, kahit naiinis na ako doon sa sinasabi, sasagutin ko lang, okay po, noted with a smiley face. Kahit naiinis na ako.
Hashtag corporate. We listen and we don't judge. Kapag ayaw kayo nag-chat-chat na sa work, nilalong press ko lang para hindi ko masin yung message.